I've just taken out the first exhaust valve and everything looks really good. The valve guide as well looks perfect, feels snug looking down it there, the light shine through, no scratches or scoring. Our two valve collets and our spring and the washer there. So they're going to get washed up in the petrol and paraffin tray, and this is going to get it clean, and it's going to clean up that seat, and then I'm going to lap it in, and then I'm going to do one by one, actually put them back into hell and not be leaving them all around. It's easier to keep track on parts as well, like them little collets that like to go walkabout. So looking good so far, and that is exactly what I'm looking for, that dull grey surface, and that's using the coarse and fine grinding paste. I always do it by hand, I don't use a drill, to be honest with you. You can put a drill onto this end and the other side of the head and, you know, turn it real fast. I don't, I like to go forward and back, forward and back. So yeah, I'm happy with that. It's a little hard to see the seat, but you can see, try and get it to focus. It's nice and dull as well, you don't want that and shiny. And that's what I'm looking for now, a nice continuous cut. So I'm going to continue and do the rest of these. It's an inlet valve beside it, and I'm going to put them back one by one as I'm going along, and I will continue until I'm finished. At least that way I only ever have two collets and a spring to put back in on a valve, and don't have 8 to be looking at and to be minding. So that's all the valves lapped back in. The seats looked mighty. I'm cleaning down these faces now slowly. That's just got a rub of the wire brush on the drill, and I'm going to sand that, and the same as that, just got a quick cleaning up just to flatten it. This is the old bypass hose going from the water pump housing to the thermostat housing, and I've routed out. This is actually a Ferguson 20 diesel, but it's the same diameter hose, so I'm going to cut that to length. That original was too short anyway, and I picked out two nice stainless steel Jubilee clips, so they're going to look a little bit better. So that is the latest. That is how we're looking now. Just a clean up of the machined head on the cylinder head now, and we should be ready to go. Gasket set is on the way, so that's this evening's bit of